Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To add friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, first of all, launch open the Mobile Legends app on your device and then from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the little human icon with a little plus in it on the right hand side menu right under your friend list. Right after you do that, you can search and add a friend by typing down their name or user ID. After you are done typing down the name, click on Name Search, and then you will then be able to see the list of friends that you are looking for in the search result. Find a friend you want to add and tap on the Follow button right next to their name. You can also enter the player ID in the search box, and once you send the friend request to the player will receive your request. Once they accept it, you will both be friends in Mobile Legends. So that is how you easily add friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.